I would like to briefly introduce you guys how to practice Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared what is known as Chacha Rocking and Pendulum Action. This practice is to help you create a nice pendulum motion and rocking motion, and also to get you comfortable with the cha-cha music. So without further ado, let's get to instruction. Before we do this practice together to the music, I would like to introduce you guys how to do this practice properly. For this practice, we are going to keep our feet wide open above shoulder width, and we are going to divide this practice into two different sections, upper body and lower body. Upper body, we are going to focus on dividing our motion side by side without moving our shoulders forward or back. So remember, whenever I say upper body, we're going to go side by side only using our upper body while keeping the nice triangular shape put together. For lower part of the body, we're going to focus on squeezing our waist back and forth to create that nice pendulum motion with our hip. Remember, once again, we're not going to shift our hip forward, side, back, only side by side by using our waist muscle. Alright, it's time for us to try it together to the music. Nice triangular shape, we're going to focus on upper body first. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm doing all this face up, need some alone time. Squeeze. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. And upper. Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne. Don't like all this distance. I want you close, I'm missing your existence. Fill my head with some clouds, baby. Fill my brain with some ecstasy. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. Great job, guys. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. Lower. I'm doing all this face up, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. Very good. I just want the feeling of you. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying Cha-Cha Rocking and Pendulum Motion practice with me today. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another practice. Bye!